about the northern white rhinoceros. So to begin, the northern white rhinoceros is also known as the Ceratotherium simum cottony, and it's a critically endangered species. Its relatives include the Indian rhinoceros, the Sumatran rhinoceros, the Javan rhinoceros, the black rhinoceros, and also the southern white rhinoceros. The northern white rhinoceros lives in the grassland, the savanna, and the shrubland biomes of East Africa. There are only 2 of them left in the world. The 2 rhinoceroses are located in the Old Pejeta Conservancy in Kenya. Rhinoceri are homeothermic endotherms, meaning that they maintain their body temperature internally without any regard to the environmental temperature. Northern white rhinos are primary consumers, and this is the second trophic level of the above producers. Specifically, they're grazers that prefer short grasses most of the year, and sometimes they also prefer tall grasses in the late dry season. Their food, which is grass, is very widely available in their habitat.
I agree with you, Rutvik. White rhinos have many adaptations that help them adapt to their niche. They use their broad lips to pluck the grass from the ground. White rhinos also have hypsodont teeth, which are teeth that are very high, and a skull held close to the ground with the right shape for grazing, heavy and elongated. Those are some structural adaptations. Physiological adaptations include their muscles, which help them support more weight than their relatives like horses. Lastly, their behavior adapts to environment in the savanna. Rhinos roll in mud and use it as an insect repellent and sunblock. The northern white rhinos have internal fertilization. Their mating system is polygenetous, meaning both genders have multiple partners. A female shows that she is ready to mate by frequent urination, and males will follow her around for 5 to 20 days before mating.
So the northern white rhino helps keep grasslands healthy by grazing or stop any one plant from taking over and made space for more animals and plants. And that supported the ecosystem to be more balanced. And it also helps humans by maintaining the land for livestock and tourism. So it also spreads seeds and fertilized the soil through their poop, and it made the plants grow better. It also made the soil more rich, and that will benefit the environment and farming communities. So the northern white rhinos are currently endangered because of human poaching. So every day around 3 rhinos are killed by poachers because of their valuable horns on the black market, and right now there are only 2 female left in the world.
The northern white rhino, or Ceratotherium simum cottony, is functionally extinct in the wild, with only 2 known females, Najin and Fatu, remaining at Kenya's Old Pejeta Conservancy. This subspecies has been decimated by poaching for their horns and habitat loss due to human encroachment. Natural selection no longer plays a role in their evolution, as the remaining individuals cannot reproduce naturally. In response to the northern white rhino's decline, humans have implemented various conservation strategies, such as assisted reproductive technologies, or ART. Scientists have developed embryos using in vitro fertilization, or IVF, with eggs from Fatu and sperm from deceased males. These embryos are stored in liquid nitrogen and are intended to be implanted into southern white rhino surrogates, as neither Fatu nor Najin can carry pregnancies. Intensive protection measures. The Old Pejeta Conservancy has implemented stringent anti-poaching measures, including armed guards and surveillance. resulting in a poacher-free environment for several years. Genetic preservation. Efforts are underway to develop sperm and egg cells from northern white rhino skin cells, aiming to enhance genetic diversity and facilitate future reproduction. These efforts primarily focus on saving the species itself, utilizing advanced reproductive technologies to revive the northern white rhino population.
The future of the northern white rhino hinges on the success of art and genetic preservation techniques. With 30 embryos currently stored, researchers aim to implant them into southern white rhino surrogates. However, challenges such as need for viable surrogates and potential health risks to the embryos persist. While these efforts offer hope, the timeline for a successful revival remains uncertain. Rhinos play a crucial role in their ecosystems as keystone species. Their grazing habits help maintain the structure of grasslands, benefiting numerous other species. The loss of rhinos can lead to overgrowth of vegetation, affecting plant diversity and the animals that depend on these habits. Therefore, the extinction of the northern white rhino would have cascading effects on this ecosystem.